Mia and the Magic Paintbrush. Mia loved to paint. One day, she found an old paintbrush in the attic, tucked away in a dusty box. It didn't look like much, but as soon as she touched it, she felt a warm, tingly sensation in her hand. Excited, Mia dipped the brush into her paints and began to create. As she painted a flower, she watched in amazement as the petals started to glow and move. The flower popped off the page and bloomed right in front of her. Mia giggled with delight. She painted a butterfly next, and soon it was fluttering around her head. She spent the whole day painting trees, birds, and even a rainbow. Each creation came to life, filling her room with color and magic. Mia felt like she had stepped into a fairy tale. But as the day ended, her magical friends began to fade, gently floating back onto the page. Mia felt a little sad to see them go, but she knew they were still there in her artwork. She put the magical brush back in the attic, promising to return and create new friends whenever she needed a little magic in her life.